Imagine you're traveling and everything is good, and it's late at night. Suddenly, you have a fever or diarrhea, and pharmacies are closed. What would you do then? And this is the time when most people realize that they packed the wrong things. Getting sick while traveling is stressful, especially in a place you don't know. I'm Dr. Kimia, and in this video, I'll tell you what medicines you should take while traveling. Stay with me till the end of the video.
Let's start with the basics. These are medicines almost everyone should have while traveling. First is painkillers and fever medications. This is something I always recommend packing. You can use paracetamol or ibuprofen if you get a fever, a headache, muscle pain, or even tooth pain. Traveling itself can trigger headaches or body aches. Long flights, poor sleep, dehydration, so this one is a must. Just remember, don't mix different painkillers randomly and always respect the dose. Second is anti-diarrheal medication like loperamide, something many people forget but really shouldn't. Loperamide is for diarrhea. You can use it if you suddenly get diarrhea during your trip, especially when you are on the move. For example, if you are on a long bus ride, a flight, or a tour, this can really save you. But be careful. If you have fever or blood in your stool, don't just rely on this. You may need medical care. Third is water rehydration salts or ORS. This one is very underrated but extremely important. You can use ORS if you have diarrhea, vomiting, or if you are sweating a lot in hot weather. They help replace fluids and electrolytes, not just water. I always say dehydration is often more dangerous than people think. Next is anti-nausea medication like dimenhydrinate, meclizine. If you're someone who gets motion sickness, nausea, or vomiting while traveling, this is for you. You can use it for car sickness, boat trips, or even food-related nausea. It makes travel much more comfortable. Number 5 is allergy medication. Antihistamines like loratadine and cetirizine. Allergies don't take a vacation. You can use antihistamines if you get a runny nose, itchy eyes, skin rashes, or mild allergic reactions. Different climate, dust, food, anything can trigger it. Number 6 is cold and flu basics. I'm not talking about 100 cold medicines, just the basics. You can use these for sore throat, congestion, mild cough, or flu-like symptoms. Simple things can make a big difference when you're far from home. And finally, the last one and the most important one is personal medication. If you take any regular medication, this is crucial. Always bring enough for your entire trip plus a few extra days. And keep them in your carry-on, not your checked luggage. Also, always check local rules. Some medicines may be restricted in certain countries. And if you have a medical condition, it's smart to carry a short medical note or prescription. Traveling should be about enjoying your trip, not worrying about getting sick. A small medicine kit can save you a lot of stress.
If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. I share medical tips like this all the time. And don't forget to share this video with someone you care about.
I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, have fun and stay healthy.